Hi everyone, we are back with the Kenmore Crossover Ultra upright vacuum. Yes, it is the return of the Kenmore Crossover Ultra. You can see the bin I have cleaned out. I also cleaned the brush roll and the whole machine. I washed the filters and everything is now perfectly clean in this Kenmore. So I'm really interested to see how well it can perform. So let's get started. Right, let's see how well this Kenmore performs. Let's start bin cam. Bin cam is on, got the cord. Brush roll is on. See, the dirt sensor is going crazy because of how much kitty litters in this carpet. Look at that. Look at the difference in the carpet. And just one pass with the Kenmore Crossover Ultra. You can see how good the agitation of this Kenmore is. See how well Will deals with this big pile right here. Look at that agitation. A lot of vacuums don't show any agitation on this rug. The rug is a little bumpy, so in some places it seals, some places it don't. The Dyson ball is the only vacuum that can overcome that because of its self-adjusting cleaner head. See how well bad cat smell, how well it can edge clean. Doesn't have the best edge cleaning, I will say. Something that Kenmore can improve. Oh, the kitty litter. What's in that bin? Looks like bin cam has come loose. I didn't want to pause because that would make it harder to edit, because then the two video, like the timelines of the videos would be off of bin cam and the main camera. So see the dirt sensors going off constantly. This Kenmore has a lot of airflow. Like 2,450 feet per minute was the reading I got, which is pretty high. Look at this. Hard to see, but there's some catnip down there. Let's see if I can show you. You can see it agitating the fibers and picking up all that dirt and pulls it right in. This Kenmore has very good filtration too. I can't 100% confirm if it's a sealed system, but the HEPA filter has an extremely thick and strong seal around it. So it wouldn't surprise me. It says it has triple air filtration. Right there. So filtration should be plenty good enough. It also has a really nice, I believe it's 30 or 35 foot power cord. I hate when vacuums have short power cords. Out of all my vacuums, if I was to choose a daily driver, it would be this, the Dyson Ball, or the Shark, the Vertex. The other Shark, the cord is too short. Let's see, will the dirt sensor detect anything else? Whenever that light turns blue, that means the dirt sensor just found something in the carpet. Go back onto this rug. Make sure this rug is clean. See how good the carpet looks. Now we can transfer to, actually let's clean this super thick pile rug. Let's see how well it does without Ultra Plush enabled. Yeah, it needs Ultra Plush enabled. Cats have been hanging out on this rug all day. See, the dirt sensor's going off, so there's clearly some stuff in this rug. Stayed on for a while there. Yep, there was some other dirt on the rug. I've had this rug for a few days now, and all the kitties have done is just hang out on it. And I'm sure they will for a long time. Alright, that's about as much vacuuming as that rug needs. Now we can go back to regular carpet. Now that brush roll should be off. I press off button, and yes it is. And see how well it does on hard floors. See how it does a decent job on hard floors? But this Kenmore also has this little tool attached to the back that I'll show you right now. All you do is you press wand release, you pull out like this, and here's your tool to detach it, the hose, and now we have this tool. It's better when you have two hands, of course. It even works on this low pile rug, just to pick up big debris. This is Kenmore's solution to being able to pick up large debris without having to sacrifice performance on carpets like some of the Duo Clean Sharks do. And then it just tucks back into place on the back. And then the hose tucks back like that. And let's continue cleaning. It's a little bit curled, I'll deal with that later. Now let's enable the brush roll. And now let's turn the brush roll off for hard floors again. Whatever that is, it's stuck to the floor. Some crumbs back here. Let's see how well it deals with these. I always mention how powerful this Kenmore is, but I need to because it's really powerful. This is a very good vacuum. If you want something with Dyson ball power, not quite as good agitation, but really good airflow. But still very good agitation. It's not quite as good as the Dyson, but you also have really high pile carpets where the Dyson ball just would not be able to clean them. And then your next stop should be this Kenmore. It also has that little hard floor tool to make getting into tighter spaces easy. It's got an incredible amount of airflow and suction power. I plan on sometime getting a kilopascal or inches of water lift gauge, and of course a better anometer, airflow meter, whatever those things are called. You all know what I'm talking about. Wind gauge, whatever those things are called. I knew one of those to get more accurate airflow measurements, since mine requires a tube made out of duct tape and stuff just to be able to get vacuum hoses to fit it because it's too big, a lot bigger than I wish it was. One pass, this Kenmore lifts the pile and erases the dirt off of this low pile rug. When it comes to multi-surface performance, that's where this Kenmore really shows its power. Alright, so this is basically it. Alright, so I'm going to turn off bin cam. I'm going to turn off this camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are back with the Kenmore Elite Crossover Ultra. Let's see what it got. Oh my god. So, you can tell, tons of kitty litter, sand, dirt, dust, and just everything you can think of. You can see all the dirt that's in the Cyclone, so that's that center piece. This tube right here is where the Cyclone separator discharge chamber. You can see all the dust at the bottom. So the Cyclone's separated out a lot of fine dust. Let's check the premotor filter. Let's open this. It's hairy. Overall, not too bad. With that is a lot of dirt. Let's check the brush roll. Not too bad either. You can see from here that there is some hair in the roller. These brushes got frayed, I'm not sure how. But overall, this Kenmore did a superb job of cleaning. It has, as I said, incredible agitation. Not gonna bother taking the HEPA filter out. I did clean the HEPA filter. I washed it and it actually turned out fine, so. It says not to wash, but I did, and just as an experiment, because I didn't pay that much for this vacuum because I got a damaged box, and then of course that annoying truck has to come through now. But anyways, this Kenmore has their lift off, which it's hard to show, but overall this is a very good vacuum. You've heard me say it before and I will keep saying it. I recommend this Kenmore. It's a very good, it's a well-built, pretty sturdy vacuum with some serious power, especially in its brush roll. So it's dual powered deep clean system, all fluorid hardwood carpet and ultra plush carpet. It's got their compression technology, which has this little V-shaped piece right here, which is made to force the dirt to the bottom and keep the shroud clean. And as you can see, it has succeeded at that because all the dirt's in the bottom. So please let me know what you think. Tell me what you want to see next, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.